Hey everyone, you here back for another unboxing video, and this time we have the Diamond Pegatrix Goreene 3-pack. Yes! Admittedly, the only reason I have this is because I bought it from Greg. So, that's the only way I have this. Just take a look at all that beautiful, beautiful diamonds. This one is now a diamond exclusive, because at this point the normal Chaos Ventus Pega or Maxitor Zentor is cancelled. Got all of them right there. Got your back of the box, all your product shots. You got your 3 character cards, your 3 action cards, or really Diamond Evos, 1 gate card, and 6 cores. And got the case and arena there. Fun stuff. The app I don't use. Okay, let's rip into this. And I am very bad at tearing open these 3-pack packages. So let's do this. Come on. Come on. Once the tape is actually holding quite sturdily. Oh, come on. Because they made these so complicated. Even more complicated than, well, actually no, I guess the Geogun Rising 3-packs are still pretty complicated. Battle Planet was the most simplistic 3-packs. Okay. And of course we got our 1 gate card in here. Your toy battling rule sheet. Your how to close, and gate card. Okay, set those there. For gate card, you got the Pegatrix Ventus Chaos. So 400 Pyrus, 100 to Aquas, 500 to Ventus, 300 to Chaos, 0 to Arliss, 200 to Darkus, and it's a fusion. Yeah. Get the rest of these out. Gal. There we go. Doesn't that always sound lovely? Let's look at the Diamond Pega. Her, okay, that was weird. Don't know why her leg was, like... That's weird. Look at that shiny paint. Oh, she's so gorgeous. And of course, you got that nice gold on the tail. On the wings there. The Chaos symbol almost didn't make it there. And of course, she is 700B. I know how to close a Diamond Pega, or a Pega Goreene, seeing how I have almost all of them except the Pyrus Arliss one. There we go. There she is, all tucked up in her ball form. Okay, here's Diamond Halcor Ramparian. Looking pretty nice. Pretty nice. Well, I guess we should look at the cores before we try rolling anyone out. So we got a Helix, 2 damage, fusion get plus 500B. Green Fist, 5 damage to fusion. Flame Fist, 3 damage, fusion get 4 damage. A lot of damage here. Green Fist, 2 damage, and fusion get another 2 damage. Wowzers. Of course, I know Goreene is Green Fist, Red Fist. Or Flame Fist. Another Flame Fist, another 2 damage, fusion 2 damage. And the last one is a Shield, Ventus, and Chaos get plus 400. That's like so far the only real good one. Or at least the only one that I would personally use. Okay, now we can roll out the Halcor Ramparian. I have not really rolled this before. So 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Hey, that was actually pretty nice. I wasn't even aiming for that Helix. I was just aiming in the that general area. So here's the Diamond Hal Ramp. I like the shiny blue teeth. Got that nice diamond. And it is 500B. Obviously these are the before fusion stats. Alright. Okay, now Diamond Zentor Maxitor. Still need a Chaos Zentor. Someday. But yeah, this guy right here is pretty much a Diamond exclusive at this point because it's pretty much confirmed, figured out at this point that the regular version of Ventus Chaos Maxitor Zentor is essentially cancelled. So this guy gonna be big money. Not that I ever am going to sell diamonds. I am not crazy. Alright. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Oh. Okay, I guess that's... Let's try rolling you backwards. See if that helps not fall flat on face. 3, 2... Just... Okay, yeah, that is backwards. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. It's better. Much better. Shout out to anyone who gets that reference. And here's Zentor Maxitor. The closest thing we ever get to a core Maxitor, really. I really like this, though. Got the, like, swords on the hands, little fists. Got that nice Maxitor head. And I think it has the visor of Zentor. Yeah, because I don't really see any, like, eyes. Where is your B power? Ah, there it is. 500. Here's Maxitor. And let's just roll out Pega real quick. Been a while since I've rolled Goreene. Okay, 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Hey, there we go. I was kind of aiming for the middle, but at least she stood. And here she is again. Nice golden horn. I love the shiny Aurelus paint. I just love it. Okay, now for the cards. So we got Maxitor and Zentor, Shield Helix, 300B, 3 damage, and fusion with a magic shield. Interesting. And for the fuse side, we got Maxitor Zentor, 6B and 6 damage. Pretty decent. I think a little better than the Aquas Ventus one. I don't know off the top of my head. And there's that. Then Halcor Ramparian, double Green Fist, 500B, 5 damage, 6 to fuse. And on the fusion side, Halcor Rex Ramparian, 1400B and 6 damage. And of course, our usual gal. Yeah, I was right, Flame Fist, Green Fist. Pegatrix, Goreene, 700B, 3 damage, 4 diffuse, and on her fusion, she gets 905. Probably, possibly a little stronger now with her Diamond Evo, we shall see. Okay. Diamond Max Tor Zentor, 6 energy cost, 1500B and 15 damage. Okay, that's not that bad. I mean, I'm never going to play with my diamonds because that's just how I am. Diamond Halcor Ramparian, 8 energy cost, 1800B, 8 damage, and 5 Frost Strike and Shadow Strike. Okay, that's pretty good. Maybe could have been a little less cost. And now for the gal, Diamond Pegatrix Goreene, 6 energy cost, 1200B, 10 damage, and plus 700B on a Flame Fist. Actually, that is pretty good. I might have to start using Pegatrix Goreene again. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this unboxing video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Check out the links down in the description below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!